Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove margin from a particular page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Docs document. We can see here some pages. Now we want to remove the margin from the particular page. Now I am remove only the first page. Select the first page last, click the insert option, choose the break. Now I am make a section break continuous. Then go to the second page first and go to the insert menu, select the header option. We can see here the section 2 and here the section 1. Now I am go to the section 1 header, click the file option and select the page setup. Now I am make the margin 0.5. Then click OK. Then we can see we remove the margin of particular page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.